what are you saying, guys? Let's shift here. Got a new bloody package as usual. Mainly aesthetically, just bought. But it does give a bit of an improved performance thing. Well, yeah, okay, well, let's have a look. We've got a bit of protective packaging here. As you can see, there's a couple of more, so I might as well go into it. Basically, what I purchased is ignition coils. Originally, I went with Dinan ignition coils, but basically they're red top ignition coils, which obviously do provide a better spark. But yeah, what's that? They come in individually, so they come individually. You gotta buy one each. I bought 6. Around about £30 each. Less expensive than the standard ones. Supposed to be an upgrade for a better spark. So this is how they look. Red top. I think it will look very nice with the purple valve cover. And yeah, they look very clean. But yeah, I've got 6 of them, and hopefully I'll be able to do a video of me putting them in. It was quite simple on my 335, but I don't know if it's easy for me to reach the final ignition coil, the 6-cylinder, like the one closest to the inner side. But yeah, it was supposed to be Dynan. They Performance M sorted me out with a replacement. So these are called Bavarian Motorsport. They look very nice. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to show you them on the car next. If not, I'll just skip to it in the next shot. What you man saying is shift again. I didn't get to finish this video with the ignition coils, so I'm just gonna show you what the finished product looks like. So yeah, it's done now. I think it looks a lot better aesthetically. It's real solid. I mean, good. There was a little stutter on cold that I used to have with the old ignition coils, and yeah, it's all done. It's all sorted. Yeah, I've got a couple more videos I've got to put up, or maybe I might just put it into this one, to be fair. I've got a hole in my intercooler. I think it's been like that for a couple months, because I was getting some codes from my charge pipe or something, and obviously I got my garage refix to have a look at it. The usual unboxing again. So yeah, let me open it first. Cool. Finally fucking got it open. Come in some decent packaging. The brand is MTC Motorsport. Same place I got my intercooler, not my intercooler pipe, the turbo inlet pipe. Okay, yeah, this is a fair bit bigger still, I believe, than my old one. Yeah, let me just pull it out and then I'll put it on the box. Right, okay, so I'm sure you remember my old one. It was about up to here size, 5.5 inch, which is the one I had before. I think this is a 7.5. 7.5 inch stepped intercooler. Yeah, it's fucking big enough, isn't it? It's rated to 700 brake, and I think that's what the issue was anyway, because I was already at the limit of 480, and probably what happened on the dyno run, which is what I'm suspecting why Mappa couldn't get any more power, was because of the fact that yeah, it was pushed to the limit. It was rated for 500 brake anyway. So this is 7. It's good for 7. When I up the power, at least I'll have enough cooling for it at the moment without like running meth and all that shit. But yeah, man, it's a good finish by MTC. It's just a little solid. All the welds very done, very clear, clean. Yeah, it's fucking heavy as fuck, boy. This wedge, yeah, it's good enough for what I need it for. Putting it on, different story in it. I'm gonna have to wait. But this is just a little unboxing video, just so just so you can see how it looks. Had a little moment in it. It dropped, so I'm gonna put it back in the box. Well, yeah, it should hopefully sort out that the cooling issue, as well as that specific code to do with my charge power. So yeah, I'll put a video up of when I put it on, how it's running when it's on, and yeah, when I do that, I'll be putting on something else that I've just bought that I'm doing a video on as well, and I'll do a video of me picking it up from the garage and how it's running. So we'll see, but yeah, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So catch you man in a bit.